We always say that we can't make anything better than nature's already made it. And that's very much what the cooking with charred oak is. It is revolutionary simplicity. We just want to find that best chicken or the best carrot or the best piece of cod and do as little to it as possible. It's how far can you push the idea of simple. There's a certain amount of bravery to doing nothing to something. The role the farm plays is central to everything we do. And we want to be able to grow a specific carrot. We want to be able to pull it from the dirt and serve it that day. We want to make it not about us, and we want to make it about the guests. Everything from the silverware in the drawers of the table, to the family-style service, to the water pitcher on the table. We simply want to create a space for the guests where they can find joy in the solidity and elemental nature of the cooking that we do, the design of the space, and the Le Creuset pieces. The Le Creuset pieces, there's something at once luxurious, but also very familiar about it, and that dovetails completely with everything else that's happening. It almost feels like you're part of a lineage. It's that people have cooked on this, in this thing, as they have for a very long time. I like the idea of doing something that is timeless, that could exist irrespective of the generation in which it finds itself.